How to set a theme in Gmail on Mac. So there are multiple ways how you can do it. First way is to open your Gmail account and here click on settings. And if you scroll down a little, here you will find the theme. So you can click on view all and here choose your custom theme which you want. So there are some images, some colors, and it will change the theme of your Gmail. You can also set your own photos, and another way how you can do it is to just press the settings, go to see all settings, and here at the top right corner of this menu bar click themes, set a theme, and this is the exact same window which will appear and you can set your own theme. I'm gonna click more images and there are many of them. Then click on insert. You can also change here the text background if you want the dark one, and also you can set here or adjust here the blur of that image. And to finish the process, click on save. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.